all called upon at some time in our lives to make great sacrifices for our own future and for the future of others. There are times when we must endure hardship and difficulty so that we can enjoy freedom and prosperity into the future.
Freedom is not something that we can opt into and opt out of. Freedom is not something that we can excuse ourselves from when we desire. If we're going to be a part of this movement, there's a way in which we have to understand that we cannot rest until it comes.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah.
Check it. Those roses and daisies and tulips and paisley skies. Was it that time to trip? Or was I just high in the sounds of the speaker that was coming out the wall? Or was this just another dream? Am I even here at all? I see faces in the crowd and it seems like they're looking through my soul, like I'm this invisible man who's trying to become whole, but scream to the top of my lungs, but no one seems to hear me. Maybe the music was just too loud.